Friends, how are you? I hope you all doing well. Today I am on USDCAD pair and I see the opportunity to sell because we have demand zone below. So price will definitely come to this strong demand zone to take orders. So here I will looking to sell. So where my entry point? This is the entry point. You can see we have very powerful resistance areas of price. We came to here and definitely tested this area and will be down again because you can see in lower time frame like H1 this is very clear and very strong resistance area. You can also see it very clearly in the line chart. As always, I install Awesome Escalator to get more confirmations. You can see it very clearly when we going to D1 daily time frame. Here we have Awesome Oscillator divergence, so price will down. Lower time frame like 5 minutes time frame, we have also this awesome oscillator divergence setup, so we can take this area to sell. Here you can see very clearly also RSI indicator below price is going to buying zone, so price is clearly in downtrend. Friends, now I'm going to place pending sell orders. Okay, let's wait and see what will happen. After few hours, price has been come to take our pending sell orders and then price has been decreased as we thought. So our setup has been very successful and now our profit over $40. So I think price will come to first to take this demand zone first, and then price will go down further because we have very powerful demand zone in the below. According to RSI, price should go decrease further, but I will close some positions here first. And I will hold only one position within break even, because even price came back to hit our break even, still we are in profit position. It means we are safe here. It is very important to learn how to take your money management in trading. Hope to see you in my next video. Take care.